Hello friends, welcome to Universal Tech channel. Today I am going to share how to make this type of funny t-shirt design using Adobe Illustrator. At first create an ellipse style and then create another ellipse style using Pathfinder minus effect. Create it, then draw a line and divided the ellipse using wrinkle T tool. The bottom portion you can draw this. Now make an eye. This eye will depend what you want. You can use this effect. This is a simple design. I hope you can do it very well than I. Then draw another using reflect tool. Draw a nose. I have tried to draw just a funny type. I am not professional, but I have tried to do something funny like. Almost done. Almost the shape done. Now go it and you take set bottom of the icon, draw a rectangle shape. The rectangle line shape bottom portion delete. The two portion you can expand and then the effect you can use. Now look a professional look. Make another shape and press Ctrl J, send it the behind of the design. Our design almost done. Now set it on a t-shirt mock-up. Yes, done. Our design complete. Look. Okay, done. Thank you very much.